My name is Mike Keller. I am a volunteer for the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office. I've been volunteering with the Water Patrol specifically for 12 years. For me, it is giving back to the community, making specifically with Water Patrol, making waterways safer, and still while people having a chance to enjoy themselves in the water. So it's the giving back to the county and to the residents that come into the county. When I'm not volunteering, I work for Nestlé Health Science, which is located in Eden Prairie, Minnesota, and I'm a facility coordinator for them. With Nestlé, I do a lot with, I also do with the security of our office and taking some of the knowledge I've learned with the Sheriff's Department here and bringing that into the office to keep our employees safer at work has been a big benefit for me. Additionally, also working out here has made me a safer boater in my personal life. We get really great community support when we're out there working with them, education and teaching the community how to be safer with around water. It also goes to a great department we work with and some great deputies that we work side by side with that keeps me coming back all the time.